In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download data from Freshsales. This process is useful when you need a copy of a contact record for reporting, sharing with your team, or saving a backup outside the platform. We will be working from the Contacts area in Freshsales, opening the specific contact you want, and then exporting that record so it can be delivered to you. To begin, look at the left-hand vertical navigation bar in Freshsales. Find the Contacts icon, which looks like a person's silhouette, and click it. This takes you to your contacts list view, where you can browse or search through your saved contacts. If you have many records, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct list view or filter so you can locate the right person quickly. Next, locate the specific contact you want to export. In the list, click directly on the name of that contact. This opens the contact details page, where you can review the information before you download it. It is a good habit to quickly confirm you have opened the correct record, especially if there are contacts with similar names. Once you are on the contact page, move to the top right area of the screen. You will see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that three-dot icon to open the drop-down menu. In the options that appear, select Export. This tells Freshsales that you want to generate an export file for this contact record. After you select Export, Freshsales will prepare the download and send it to your email. Depending on your account settings and system activity, it may take a short moment for the email to arrive. Check your inbox and, if needed, your spam or junk folder. Open the message from Freshsales and follow the provided link or attachment instructions to download the exported data. For best results, save the file to a clear location on your computer and use a descriptive file name so you can find it later. And that is all there is to it.